Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So this video is especially for all those biryani lovers because you can prepare this biryani anytime you love it, just as the restaurant style, that grainy texture and all the flavor. And if you watch the video till the end, you will be amazed with the end result because there's a small twist which takes this biryani into another level. So why late? Let us see how to prepare. So first of all, take a pressure cooker and add 1 full cup of French beans and chopped carrots, 1 full cup, and then 1 large onion and 4 to 5 green chilies slit in long, and then medium size potato chopped, 1 medium tomato chopped. Add entire vegetables into it, and cashews, it's completely your choice, otherwise you can skip. And then add 4 tablespoons of oil and then put it on the stove on low flame and fry them. Meanwhile, take a bowl and add 2 cups of basmati rice. You can take any rice of your choice. Here I have taken basmati rice. I have washed it nicely and put it aside. Now once your vegetables turn soft or transparent like this, it's time to add our rice into the bowl. Just give it a nice stir for all the vegetables and check whether they are nicely fried or not. Once they are cooked, add the washed rice into the cooker. Now for 1 cup of basmati rice, we add 2 cups of water. So here I have added 2 cups of basmati rice. So I have added 2 cups of water, and instead of another 2 cups of water, I have added thick coconut milk. So this is the twist which I have told you earlier. This gives your biryani another level of flavor and taste, trust me. Now stir it nicely and add salt according to your taste, and 1 full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and fried cumin powder and fried coriander or dhania powder, and then stir it nicely. Check for salt and add if you like it, and then on medium flame allow it to cook for 2 whistles. After you get 2 whistles, tada, our biryani is all ready. See, it's so grainy and it's so yummy, right? So there is another tip for all of you. Once you cook in a pressure cooker, either it be biryani or coconut rice or normal rice, after you get the whistle done, just mix the entire rice without breaking the grain. So in that case, what happens is the rice won't turn into cake mold. Okay, so for restaurant style I have told you, so I have added green and red color. It's completely of your choice. I have added 2 tablespoons of ghee and a little bit of coriander, and I have closed the lid and allow it to rest for 2 minutes. I didn't mix the entire rice after adding color because I want some of the grains to be colored and the remaining as normal. So after resting for 2 minutes, that's it. Our restaurant style biryani is all ready. That too cooked in pressure cooker with this grainy texture and that coconut flavor. This biryani takes you to another level. So all those vegetarians, you can have this biryani directly. Otherwise, you can have it potato curry or paneer curry. And for all those non-veg lovers, if you want to have instantly, you can have an boiled egg. Otherwise, you can have a chicken joint and enjoy this biryani. So for easily preparing chicken joint, let me know in the comment section. So I'll surely do that video also and show you the easiest way to prepare it. And I hope you like this video. Do give it a try. Don't miss this amazing taste and flavor. And please do subscribe our channel, and also like, share and comment what you like the most in this video. Thank you.